Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious BBQ steak. First, select a steak cut at least 1 inch thick for optimal grilling. Before seasoning, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that beautiful, crispy sear. Then generously season both sides with salt, freshly ground pepper, and your preferred steak rub. Finally, let your seasoned steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the grill. This simple preparation ensures even cooking and maximum flavor. Now let's get grilling. Preheat your barbecue to a high temperature, aiming for around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's essential to create 2 heat zones, one side with direct high heat for searing and the other with indirect lower heat for finishing. Place your steak over the direct heat and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side until a beautiful crust forms. Then, move the steak to the indirect heat zone to continue cooking gently until it reaches your desired level of doneness. Achieving the perfect doneness is key to a great steak. The most reliable method is using a meat thermometer. For rare, aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare is 130 degrees, medium is 135 degrees, and medium well is 140 degrees. Remember to remove your steak from the grill about 5 degrees before your target temperature, as it will continue to cook while resting. This ensures a perfectly cooked steak every time. The final, crucial step for a tender and juicy steak is resting. Once cooked, transfer your steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, preventing them from running out when you slice it. Finally, slice your steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve immediately and savor your perfectly barbecued masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.